Hello, we're back here with Firenzecolor Classroom. I'm going to show you a new product that we have. It's called Miku. It's a beautiful plaster that is basically metallic. It's a metallic plaster. It's very pretty. It's a 2-coat step process. Very easy to do. I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. We got it in this beautiful color. It's a nice purple. If you notice, I'm wearing the shirt too to represent it. So basically, you're going to put it on your trowel and you're just going to slap it on. You might get a scratch here and there because of the sand of the plaster. So the plaster already has these mica powders in there that makes it all nice and gives it all that glimmer metallic. So there's basically no wrong way of doing the base coat. You can do a texture, you can do it nice and smooth, you can even roll it on. You basically want to work from dry to wet. Always control the product. I'm going to come back here and do a little drag technique on it. And also take away these scratches. And that's basically the first coat of the Miku. You just want to slap it on, you can do a little texture, have it smooth, that's fine. When that dries, it'll look like this. If you notice, it's nice and simple. Actually, even looks pretty with a 1-coat application. But the proper way is doing it with 2 coats. And 2 coats on top of basically a Nova primer, the primer that has sand, quartz inside of it. Then we're going to do the 2nd coat application. I'm going to do a skip trowel technique, basically. Come back. You could even do a 2nd coat nice and smooth if you guys like. Like I said, there's no limit to what you guys could do with this plaster. You just basically want to slap it on there. So basically, that is the 2nd coat of the Miku. If you notice, I did it really fast and really simple. And if you get close to it, you can see the sparkles of the metallic pop through. Very nice finish, 2-coat process, very beautiful. That is Miku.